Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India Official. We are back guys with a new video. So what we're gonna do in the today's video, first of all, the main thing, Geo, yes, who bought the Pokemon Go in India will be no more free from day after tomorrow guys. So is this will do any effect on the Pokemon Go, I will be talking about that in the video. And the another thing is like it's been a while playing a Pokemon Go in my area, so we wanna do both the things true in the today's video guys. So without waste time, let's go and let's get started guys. So yes guys, we're gonna talk about the Geo that from day after tomorrow there will be like no free services from the Geo, and if it will be affect the Pokemon Go or not guys. Yes, the thing is like there will be no effect on the Pokemon Go because they have just sponsored for the Pokemon Go, and there will be like Geo Pokestops after the end of the free services from the Geo guys. So there will be nothing changes in the Pokemon Go. There will be the Pokestops and the gyms of the Geo. And the another thing is like now the one main thing you guys have to do is like you have to pay and play the Pokemon Go. There are many of the guys who are just freely enjoying the game. Even I am doing the same thing. Even I am using the Geo services because it was free, and the game was bought by them. So these are the things I think so is said by the Geo provider after the end of the free services guys. So that's it I think so about the Geo. And what guys you have to do is like you have to do the membership something, and you have to pay the services, and then you can play Pokemon Go and you can continue the Pokemon Go series for the on the Geo SIM card guys. So yes, the three things I have to say is like the Pokestops and the gym will be same as they are now in the game, and second thing is like you have to pay and play, and third thing is guys they are adding most Pokestops and a gym on the Geo store guys as they are right now in the game. So this is done for the guys Geo services and everything upon the Pokemon Go. And now guys the another thing is like the end of the water festival. It's done now. So now guys, what is the another update which will be going to come in the Go? Now I don't think so there will be a update for a month for sure. There will be some slightly changes in the game, and there are the things which are going to come is like the gym rework which will be going to come in this month or the next month, like at the end of the April guys I think so, or at the start of the May, because they need some time. They have just implemented a shiny Pokemon in the game, as you guys have got that shiny. So I think so they will take this month to fix the minor bugs from the game, and they will be going to implement the gym rework in this or the next month guys. So this will be the next update coming in the Pokemon Go. And there is another thing which has been revealed by the Niantic is the legendary birds. Yes guys, they have revealed the dates of the legendary birds when they are going to come at the end of the 2017 for sure, and there will be a huge update at the end of the 2017 like in the December, and the legendary birds will be going to come in the game guys for sure. Now let's move on for the today's video guys. Now I will be going to hunt the rare Pokemons in the area, and let's hope so for the rare stuffs, because I am hunting just in my area, so I don't think so there will be more rare Pokemons, but I will try to find them, and that will be the end of the video guys. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the video guys. So that's it, guys. You saw like I got tons of rare Pokemons. I don't know, like it's not that wow, but still it's okay. Like got a Dratini and a Sanaquela, and the big thing is like got a Venusaur of 1900 plus CP. So that was a very much wow, I think so, for today's video, guys. So that's it, guys, for the today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And guys, I just went like nearby areas only because as I told you in the previous video also, here are some more screenshot work which I am doing right now, and you can check out over here. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button, guys. Like, subscribe, and peace, guys. Yeah.